What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the cheapest items you can buy off of StockX. Now, you just got a little bit of a peek there, but essentially what I did is I went to all the biggest categories of the app, which I'm about to show you, and found all the cheapest items and bought them. I want to show you guys what you can get for all these cheapest items. So I got some stuff from Supreme, some stuff from Louis Vuitton, and tons more. So I also teamed up with StockX for this video to do a giveaway for you guys. So here are all the details. Alright, so for this giveaway, StockX wanted to give you guys $250 of in-app credit so you can buy literally whatever you want. So the rules of this are, as always, number 1, follow me on Instagram, it'll be at the top of the description. Number 2, follow them, StockX on Instagram. Number 3, subscribe to StockX. And then number 4 is to comment down below what you would do with the $250. And then in 1 week's time, when you see a video mystery box with my dad, it's gonna be crazy. He picked a whole mystery box for me through StockX. Then we'll announce the winner of this giveaway. That's all you have to do. I'm very excited for you guys. Hopefully you guys can win and pick something really dope. So let's go ahead and jump back into it. All this stuff that I ordered was from 2 weeks ago, so prices have gone up and down and up and down. I want to show you guys right now what you guys could buy the day of this video for the cheapest on StockX, but then you get to see what I got and see if, you know, kind of compares if I did better, if stuff is better now at the cheapest cent. So let's go ahead and check out what we could get. Why did I say it like that? Oh. Okay, so what I wanted to show you was the cheapest things that you can get on the app currently right now. So I'm pulling up StockX on my phone. Now, if you don't know, I have worked with StockX previously on this channel. They are by far my absolute favorite app that you can buy anything on. I buy and sell so many different things on it, and I do have to give a huge shout out to them for working with me on this video. Now, this is a cool thing because some of the stuff that I bought has almost tripled in value since I bought them. So this could honestly be a way to make money, but also at the same time, maybe not. It just depends on, you know, how hot the item is. So we've had some Supreme drops recently and different things like that. Right now, you can go to like the streetwear section, sort it by the prices. Okay, now go to under $50 and apply, and then you can sort it by lowest ask and see what is the absolute cheapest right now. So undefeated Nike Kobe, that's like the most cheapest thing right now on streetwear, 15 bucks. See all these cheapest items here, and this is just particularly on this, you know, section. So let's go over to handbags. This is one of the sections that I went and tried to find the absolute cheapest item, which now I'm kind of pissed because there's a lot better stuff now. You can get this Gucci pre-owned wallet for 110 bucks is not bad. I mean, it's a used Gucci wallet or a card holder. Now, those are typically going for like $200-300. So if you can get it for 110, that's not too bad. There's also an MCN one. Now, this is something that I could have bought at $119, literally for the same price as what I got. I got shafted. I should have waited like 2 weeks because this is actually a lot better than what I got. That was one of the things was handbags. Also went over to watches. Now, I'm not going to give away which one I got. There's a lot of G-Shocks on here. They're all relatively the same price, but I just picked the one that was the cheapest, which I have been able to see on here, which maybe I'll have you guys guess which one it is. But they're all around $100, so it's going to be pretty similar there because with watches, it's G-Shock is the cheapest brand there. Now, they have Rolex, they have Cartier, they have different things like that, and I wanted to see, you know, the cheapest of a different brand maybe than G-Shock. That was generally the cheapest when I was on there, because then you get up and you get Casio, which is G-Shock still, Psycho, and then it kind of goes up and up and up. So you'll have to see which one I did for that. For sneakers, I went for a few different brands, and I didn't go for slides. Now, I originally went for 3 brands, and the one shoe I went for, actually, it didn't in time for this video, but I wanted to pull it up. So this was a shoe here, and at the time when I bought it, it was $60. Now, this is still, I think, the cheapest Adidas that you can get right now. You could buy a size 10 for $57, kind of relatively cheap. That was pretty much the cheapest Adidas that I could find. When I did it, I filtered it by the terms of my size, so I could actually order my size in that shoe. Now, I can't find the actual item that I got. For some reason, my internet is being slow, but you get the gist of, you know, what we did, and I did take an L on the handbag section. So let's go ahead and see what I actually ended up getting. My hair is absolutely trash right now. So let's talk about the items that I ended up getting. Now, one of the first brands I want to show you is something from Palace. Now, Palace is a skateboarding brand, kind of similar to Supreme. I would say it's not as hyped as Supreme. I think Supreme is more of a well-known name than Palace, but Palace is definitely up there and doing fine. So I wanted to get something from them because I saw some of the stuff on the streetwear page that was kind of recent, and I was like, you know what, this looks cool. I'm gonna it's cool, but it's not, doesn't really have much of a point to it, I don't think. So this is a Palace recycle bag. Now, this was $13. Basically, it says bag for life. It says Palace all over it. The inside and the whole thing is basically like a tarp. Now, if you ever had just like a blue tarp, is the color that I had when I was a kid, it's literally that material, and it's like a recyclable bag, so you can take it to the grocery store. If you're trying to stunt on all the grannies at Publix, bring your Palace bag, and this is so loud. Put everything in it, but for 13 bucks, that's what you get from Palace. And nothing crazy, nothing special, but you know, I wanted to include something. And if you want to have something for school, maybe for something for sleepover, you can get something from Palace. It's just something really weird, and I don't know exactly the point to it unless, I mean, you need it for groceries. So the next thing up will be a watch, and you guys obviously know that one of the watches I got was a G-Shock, and this is one here. Were you able to guess which one it was? Because there's a few different options, and I've never owned a G-Shock before in my life, actually. This is the first G-Shock. G-Shock was so popular in high school, like everybody had them if you were fortunate enough. I did not have a G-Shock, one, because I did not like watches, and two, I don't know, I just never got one. This was the cheapest one on there, and this, I've never even seen this packaging before because I've never had a G-Shock, like I said. Comes with a metal can. This one was $99 when I bought it. Pulled this out, and I got the desert green, it's just kind of like a camo army green, and it's pretty actually huge. So this one came in at $99 retail. So the person, I guess, maybe they found it on sale, or maybe they're just trying to get rid of something they never used. But we have a green G-Shock. Now let me show you, just, I feel like this is just gonna be too big on my wrist, and that's why I wouldn't wear watches like this, because I have a pretty small wrist, and this just overpowers everything I got going on with it. So let me put this on. There we go. That looks, all right, that just looks too big to me. Like, hold on, let me grab my actual watch. Here's my watch. It's a Rolex Air King. It's a very nice watch. I actually got it used, and you can buy used watches on StockX, which is actually awesome. I didn't get it from there. Me finding this used watch was it helped me with the price a lot. I got like $1,500 off the watch. Yes, it's an expensive watch. It's not the most expensive. It's probably one of the cheapest Rolexes you can buy, but I love it. It's perfect for me. And look at the difference. I think that this face is perfect for me. It's like a 38mm. This just looks a little big for me. So that's why I've never really had a G-Shock. I have small wrists. I'm gonna wear both of these like this just because I'm like a rapper, like Lil Pump. Check out both my whatever. Let's go ahead and show you guys the absolute cheapest thing that I could find on the app as far as shoes go. They not even pertain to brand, the cheapest shoe that I could find, and it has to do with a basketball player. Now, can you guess which basketball player that is? Now, he's in affiliation with Reebok, and you can see this box here. Do you know it? It retails at $115 according to the box. There you go. Now, I bought this shoe for $30 in my size, and that is the Reebok Shacknosis OG. This is a shoe that I remember from back in the day, and I believe this shoe came out in 2011, and I don't know if you guys know it, but look at this bad boy. Now, this is not horrible. Like, this isn't bad. This is like a classic basketball shoe. You got the nice ankle support here. It's definitely, I would never wear this. Now, I had basketball shoes as a kid, and I probably would have worn this. I had my first pair of Jordans were a pair of Jordan 22s, but on this shoe, instead of the Jumpman, you got a nice Dunkman right there. Shaquille O'Neal, the Dunkman. I mean, these are cool. They have pretty good materials. Getting these for 30 bucks and 115, if you like this, if this is a shoe you had when you were a little bit younger, or that you liked, I don't know, because it's not that old of a shoe, maybe go ahead and grab them for 30 bucks. I think that's cool. You can get a nice pair of Shaq Reeboks for 30 bucks. I mean, it has some nice, like, kind of fake snake skin on there. They're cool. I mean, I would never wear them. Should I put them on? I think I gotta put them on for the video. I'm rocking real cozy vibes right now. I got the Sukokis on. Look how cozy these boys are. Bro, these are huge. These make me look like I'm Shaq. Check these out. I'm ready. Look at, that's funny. I like it. I like it. Look at the bottom. Nice pair of Shacknosis right there. They're cool. They're Laker colorway. You know, Shaq used to play for the Lakers. I never was into Shaq shoes like I was into Jordans and stuff. But after that, we got two things right here that are kind of accessories. I'm gonna show you the Jordans. Now, so I told you guys I took a little bit of L on the handbags, and I guess it has to do with wallets, handbags, well, yada, yada, yada. I did end up getting something from Louis Vuitton, but it's not something that I would have much purpose with, and that is a Louis Vuitton Tassel. It's just like a tassel. You can see it's red on the inside. It says Louis Vuitton on here, and it is nice leather. 125 bucks. This thing was $125. I wish I would have gotten the Gucci wallet or the MCM wallet, and that would have been a lot better of a deal, but I mean, I got something Louis Vuitton. I could put Louis Vuitton in the title, I guess. This was literally the cheapest item when I went on there in the handbag section, and I guess you could attach this to your bag just for a look, or maybe it's from a purse. I have absolutely no clue. It's nice leather and it's cool, but why couldn't I have found a wallet? Next thing up is gonna be an item from Supreme, which actually I kind of took out of the wrapping already because I wanted to see if it would work, and I messed it up because I wanted to see what it looked like. I got the LED mini glow stick. That is the cheapest item, and coming in at $16. That was the cheapest Supreme item I could find, and I think there's actually cheaper items now. Now this went up a little bit in value. We're getting a little bit better. It's at $17. Literally a keychain. Put it on, you get a red light there. The only purpose I could see myself using this for would be for pictures maybe, but other than that, I don't see myself really using it. It's got batteries on the inside. It floats apparently, and it's a glow stick, 60 hours, and it can go 1 meter underwater. This actually has a purpose, and a lot of people don't use it for its intended purchase, but if you throw this on your backpack, if you're going hiking, whatever, kind of cool. So That's Supreme accessory. Last thing up is a pair of Jordan. And if you can tell by this box, it is a Jordan 1. Something that I was confused because I thought this was something other than it was when I first bought it. Now these came in at $46, I believe. 46 bucks for a pair of Jordans, brand new, which is a good deal. Now, these look very similar to a pair of shoes that I thought they were, and I'm being very redundant. Retail was $150, and this is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High. It's the Ultra High, actually, and this is a bread colorway. Check these out. So I thought these were the Flyknit Jordan 1s, but apparently they're not, obviously. And they are this new knit material. It feels like a sweatshirt right here, and then it's got the nice laces. Now, this is a lifestyle shoe from Nike, and it has the nice flexible, ultra high, whatever. It's different from a regular Jordan 1. Let me grab mine. This is a regular Jordan 1 Royal right here, and this is the ultra high. You can see a little bit of a difference, and this just kind of looks like the Flyknit one. They came out with a few different colors. Now, I'm gonna obviously throw these on as well for 46 bucks. That's not a bad deal. If you want a pair of Jordans, you only have 50 bucks. You could get a pair of these and they don't look bad. All right, so I got them on. This is what they look like. I mean, it's a Jordan for 50 bucks. I think that's pretty cool. A lot of people might not have $150 retail to spend on these, and I saved 100 bucks buying them. So I was saying before that you could possibly make money. So these, I got them at $46. Now they have them on here, the ultra high bread. I can go right now to sell, and these go up and down. $77 for a size 11. I just made 20 bucks right there. Like instantly $20 off of these. I bought them at 46. Yesterday they got up to like $9,500. So there's that, like honestly, like I went and found the cheapest shoe and they're up 20 bucks now. I can make $20 off of them. So if you only have $50 to spend, you can maybe make a little bit of money at that. I just love StockX. There's so many endless possibilities there. Do you guys think that these were some good deals, or do you think there are L's? You gotta let me know in the comments down below. I think that's gonna wrap it up though. If you guys are seeing me buy the cheapest items from other places, let me know, but I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison signing out.